get any better where I'm at. Sorry, folks. Sorry. Other people are videotaping this as I'm trying to videotape it.
Wow, look at those riders.
Now, so I get more down towards the angle of the lot, and it gets worse to try to see because a effing bank has to be here with their light. Hang on, maybe if I go over here, we'll find a cool place to see these eventually.
Well, the last time Emma said, no problem, Mom. I said, you go to the live tell them, go down this way and you go.
And you know that thing about objects in your mirror appearing closer and bigger than they are. Same thing for this. You know, they seem further away because that's how the camera's working, but believe me, the display is a wee bit bigger than it actually looks.
Did that work? Did it flash? Really?
I guess I was better off where I was.